Wanted to give you a tour of one of our 3 operations facilities located around the world. This one is located in Plano, Texas. We have another smaller facility that's quite new in Reading in the United Kingdom, and also a larger facility in Anyang, South Korea.
Here at SOLiD Logistics, this is where we keep all of the product for the customers. We have approximately 15,000 square feet of space and 450 locations for the pallets. Based on the forecast from our customers with our sales team, we are able to keep all of the gear here in the warehouse so that we can make all the orders according to customer schedule.
Now that you've seen our warehouse, this is where we bring our products to test and assemble them to our customers' orders. All of our technicians are experienced, trained, and certified. In this 5,000 square foot space, we do all of our assembly and configuration of our customer orders. So everything ships to us from our factories in Korea in different modular components. This modular approach helps us with maintaining these systems and servicing them in the field. But it also gives customers maximum flexibilities with how they would like to see their systems perform in the field. Testing is extremely important to us because our products usually go into some pretty harsh environments like the Daytona International Speedway, the MBTA in Boston, Stanford University, and the New York City subway systems. So obviously when our customers put this product in, they expect a high degree of reliability and fantastic performance. Our testing process allows us to guarantee that when we ship it to our customers.